Hi! In front of me is POCO C40 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off automatic screen rotation on this POCO. You need to begin by opening tab menu. Now look for lock orientation icon and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is blue. That means that auto rotation is now off, but you can always turn it back on by choosing the same icon. If you wish to, you can go into settings as well. Scroll down and tap on display section. Then scroll down again and click on this switcher next to auto rotate screen. If it's gray, that means that auto rotation is disabled, but you can always enable it by choosing the same switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!